Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. Start by accessing settings. Now you need to choose accessibility features here and tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and read the instructions. So I'm using tricky navigation, so all I need to do is swipe up across the navigation bar. So if you wish to use your one-handed mode, I mean your phone using one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. Then click on this blank area here to go back. If you wish to use it with your left, do the same to the left. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!